Today we're going to make a cat's face, or a little cat puppet. We first take our square piece of origami paper with the colour on the outside. We fold it diagonally in half, line up the corners and fold it flat. We're going to open it up and then we're going to do it the other way. Line up the corners, and fold it flat. Next step, from the centre we're going to fold the two halves down. That's one side, and again on this side. Next, we're going to create our ears. So we fold it up about that angle, same on the other side, making sure that they look even. Then we're going to take the centre piece of paper and fold it up. Now, if we turn it over, it's already starting to look like a cat, but what we're going to do is fold both sides in. So we want it to be similar to that, and we do the same on the other side. Trying to make them look even. Now what we're going to do is take the centre piece, fold it up. If we now turn it over again, take the top corner and fold all of the paper over at the top. And that is our basic cat face. We can use it as a puppet here. If we open up underneath, we have ourselves a little cat puppet. What we can do is add some details. Oh. And give a little nose. A mouth. Some whiskers. And some eyes. There we have our completed finger puppet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click on the thumbs up icon below and give us a like. And if you'd like to see more things to make and create, click on the subscribe button in the corner of the screen or on the red subscribe button below and check out our channel.